How to make an avatar in Instagram. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply create your own avatar in Instagram. You just have to follow these simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile devices. Afterwards, go into the main profile. You can go into the main profile by tapping on your profile icon. That is at the right bottom corner of your screen. Once you go there, you have to go into the menu option that is at the top right corner in that three bar option. You just have to tap on it. A new dialog box appears from the beneath the screen. So here you have to select the settings option that is at the number one. Once you select that, you're going to go into the account that is at the number fourth last option in the list. So once I tap on that account option on this page, a new page has appeared or popped up in which I'm going to look for an option by the name of avatar. So once I tap on the avatar, that would be at number 5th from the first. So once I just tap on it, here it is. Here my icon has been made, or my avatar has been made. I can simply dress up my avatar. I can change the mouth. I can put in some nose piercing, hair piercing. I can change the color. I can change the eyebrows. I can do whatever I want to do. I can change the hairstyles. I can add, or I can just decrease the facial hairs. I can also make up my own body type. I can also change the outfits. I can make him wear any cap. Basically, it's avatar. You can do whatever you want to. What do you say? This is like kind of yourself. So this is kind of yourself you're representing. So this is how you do it. This is how you create your avatar. And once you're done with all that, you just tap on the done button that is at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how you do it. This is how you create an avatar on Instagram in 2022. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.